Are you dealing with a bunch of different languages in your app and you need to create a pipeline to be able to translate that information? Well, we can do that with Azure AI Foundry. My name is Jeff Bernard with Soft Systems, and if you need help with any of your projects, please reach out to us. In the description below, you'll see a contact form. We'd love to help with your projects. And without further ado, let's go translate some stuff. Jumping straight into the playground in Azure AI Foundry, you'll see, you'll, as always, land an overview. Then we'll go to playgrounds, and then we can scroll down. We'll see this is in preview, so keep in mind that this could change at any time if you're watching this video in the future. Let's go try playground. So auto detect from. So this is very interesting because you can have a source document to appear here, and then you can translate to a specific language. But let's go text translation. So auto detect from, this will be the original, and then translate to, let's say, in a language which I've never heard of, Bodo. And let's try to translate. So, hi, how are you doing? Translate. And then we have it. So it looks like a Southeast Asian language. Pretty cool. And we can iterate through that, right? So we can iterate through any sort of settings there that we want from two languages. Then we have a hide advanced settings. We have profanity filter, marked, deleted, and then HTML or text, category ID, custom translator model. We're not going to really cover that. But yeah, we wouldn't want to take out the profanity, right? Take out all the fun. So we can go to code view, and this is what's very interesting. Some of these views have the ability to view how you would integrate this with the code. Some of them do not, but you have the endpoint, you have the resource key, you have the region. And then not all languages are supported in all of these environments, but you have, pretty good, language array here. You have C, Sharp, you have JavaScript, and you have Python, right? So you have a way to be able to start with a base of this, integrating this into your apps on the back end, or, calling from your web app to here, converting text from an original to a translated version. And it's pretty cool. Again, this would have taken probably a lot of lift in the past. Now, not so much. There's also document translation sync, which would change up things a little bit. And it looks like in the code view, you only have C Sharp and Python. So you'll be able to take a document and then parse it and then reconstruct it within the language of your choosing, which is pretty cool, right? So you could add a document and then translate it to another language here, then, have it formatted somewhere else. So this is a way to build language translation in text-based or document-based in Azure AI Foundry. If you haven't checked out the other videos in this series, this is a whole series about Azure AI Foundry. Please go do so now. We'd love your support. Also, like and subscribe to get notified of these videos in the future. And if you need any help with any of your Azure AI Foundry stuff, we'd love to help. So we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.